Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone apps stuck on waiting issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to download or install apps on your Apple device but you are facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage and make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and after this delete some useless apps from your device as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again, go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. And after this, make sure that your internet connection is working properly or use your Wi-Fi on your device as well. So guys, do this and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply restart your device and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.